Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to withdraw from Watch Only Wallet on Trust Wallet. So as you can see, this is the official app of Trust Wallet. Just make sure to go to this app and you will see an interface like this. And if you're logged in with your account, just go to the home section and delete or remove the app from your phone. If it is Android, just uninstall the app and go to the Play Store or App Store and just again download the app. So it will take a few seconds to download the wallet again. So let's wait few seconds. So once the downloading and installing process is completed, just click on this open section and it will take you to the app. So let it load completely. It will take a few seconds, get started. And as you can see, this is basically the watch only wallet on Trust Wallet app. So you are not logged in with your account, and once you're on this section you can easily withdraw from watch only wallet on Trust Wallet. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.